Welcome to our sports and entertainment guide. Here is Matthew speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 12 FT trampoline with swing and lander metal. Safe seal system. This 12 FT trampoline with enclosures feature a 360-degree safety net that is securely attached to the jumping mat all the way around, reducing the risk of an arm or leg falling through. A full enclosure with a zipper door surely lends you peace of mind. The rust-resistant steel 4-step ladder helps you get onto your trampoline quickly and safely. There's a backboard. You can play basketball in it. Premium bouncing experience. High-strength trampoline mat woven together that able to handle constant flexing, making it durable and soft on your feet. 72 galvanized springs evenly stretched around the mat ensure a smooth and responsive bounce. Built with durability. Heavy-gauge galvanized steel frame forms 6 W-shaped legs provide stable base for the jumping zone. The joints are press-fitted onto each frame piece to reduce frame noise and movement between sections and ultimately reduces overall wear and tear. Fun features. Jumping is more fun by adding a basketball goal, which will keep your kids busy all day. This trampoline with swing and plastic slides for children to play on. Assembly details. We have designed this trampoline to be as easy as possible to assemble. We recommend 2 or more people for assembly. Quick tip. View the assembly sequence to reduce the construction time. Trampoline weight capacity, 260 pounds. Slide weight capacity, 88 pounds. About Sports and Entertainment Guide Channel. Dana's is a professional store for fitness and sports family healthcare products, which includes elliptical trainers, exercise bikes, inversion, equipment, rowers, step machine, trampolines, treadmills, vibration platforms, fishing kayaks, weight bench, water sports weight rack, exercise equipment, sought after by consumers, cost-effective products, and localized delivery services. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, Dana's can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. For wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via Nancy J. Christensen to gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.